Good morning, everybody. It's Chad from The Right Line. We are headed to Coffee and Crawlers with all of our St. Vincent de Paul donations, and then we're installing some skid plates. Stay tuned. This is the Quadratec aluminum skid plate system that they sell, and it comes with the brackets going up to the engine mounts. The engine and transmission skid plate itself, which is nice because it has an access hole for changing the oil, comes with this new crossmember which helps supports the engine and transmission transfer case. Now this crossmember here bolts to the same bolts that the factory exhaust manifold skid plate went on. Comes with the transfer case skid plate right here, really nice and thick, and it has a new crossmember with it as well. Right here goes all the way across to the other side, and then it has the evaporative canister skid plate too, and it's nice as it ties together with the transfer case skid plate. Now there's the gas tank skid plate. The gas tank skid plate is actually designed to fit over the top of the steel skid plate. It goes all the way up to the mounting holes. Can't quite see them because they're buried underneath there. Now the problem that I ran into is that I had too many big dents in my skid plate, the factory skid plate, and wanted to take it down so that I could pound out those dents before putting on this brand new aluminum skid plate. And that's where the time killer took place. There are two lines back here that you need to disconnect from the tank to take it out. This one right here, and that one right there. Now, the one up here has a blue safety clip on it. That's a piece of cake to come out. But below that is another safety clip that holds the line together. Now, if you're not careful and you break them, which you'll likely do because they're going to be brittle, you'll have to replace them. There are also two more fuel line connections on the leading edge of the gas tank, and one of those is the high pressure line. It has a red safety clip on it. Now the red safety clip comes off no problem, but if you break the plastic one underneath it, you'll need to replace them. I broke two of mine getting them out, and luckily we were able to find replacements. These are available at Napa. The ones at AutoZone did not work. These are available at Napa, and I wish I'd saved the part number, but they have become in a package of 5. I would highly suggest that you go get a package of these clips before you even get started. Now this Quadratec kit also comes with a muffler skid plate that goes back here. It covers over this muffler. Now this is not the factory muffler, and it's considerably smaller than when it went in there. Now I'm not going to put that skid plate on simply because it comes down way too low to accommodate for the factory muffler, and quite frankly I don't think I'm going to hit it, even though I got it once before Chewy was lifted. The last skid plate that this kit comes with is to replace this one on the front. That's the swaybar skid plate. It's a nice aluminum one. I haven't looked at it, and I'll probably hang on to it for a while, but I don't think I'm going to rush to put it right on because I already have this one there. If you're on a budget like I was when I was considering these aluminum skid plates, the Quadratec aluminum skid plate system is not to be overlooked. It includes 6 skid plates, 2 cross members, all the hardware and brackets, and everything you need to bolt it up to your Jeep. I didn't do any recording when I was putting on these skid plates yesterday, mainly because we had to try to find those clips. I didn't really want to jeopardize not getting this done so that I could take it to work tomorrow. If you're finding The Right Line for the first time, well, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. This weekend coming up I've got to work, but the following weekend we're going to go out on a trail adventure running from the towns of Mammoth, Arizona to Klondike, Arizona. Chewy and I, The Right Line, and some of the Copper State four-wheelers are going to go on an adventure a little south of here through an area so rich in mining history. It's awesome. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.